I'm David Wasson with CAPS, manufacturer of the PERK 40-ton industrial air conditioner. This video is going to go through the setup, startup, and operation of the industrial air conditioning unit. The 40-ton unit is designed to be transported by two different methods. One is with the forklift pockets located at the bottom, or overhead lifting shackles at the top to allow for single point lifting. It's very important that you check the bottom weight tag on every unit to ensure that the operator of the forklift has the correct size unit or the crane operator. Each unit needs to be set on a stable level ground. After the unit's been placed in a permanent position for the installation of the particular job, you'll need to look at the data tag on the unit to ensure that the proper power requirements are provided to the machine. Additionally, if you have any questions, there's a QR tag here that can be scanned to watch video or reference the IO&M manuals. We verified the machine is going to require 100 amp service, so with the proper PPE equipment, we're now going to hook up the cam locks. To remove the protective caps for each one of the legs, we're going to tie in the cam locks. You always tie in the ground first, and then follow your color sequence for the phasing. Once the cam locks are hooked up, we're going to energize the machine and check for rotation, and that will be indicated by the phase incorrect and the power light here. We've removed our lockout tag out from our breaker. Now the cam lock cable is now energized. We're going to open up, close the main breaker to check for our rotation. Power light came on, but we also have a phase incorrect light that indicates that two of our phases are backwards. We're now going to lock and tag out the breaker and reverse two phases. Please note you never change the cam locks when they're energized. Okay, we had a phase incorrect. We changed the two leads here. We've opened up, removed our lockout tag out from our power source. We're now going to turn the main breaker on. This time the phase incorrect light is off. The power light is on. The machine is ready to start to be energized as soon as we complete the duct installation. Before we put our unit in operation, all of the HVAC units have a condensate P-trap on them. During transport, they'll dry out or the water will be splashed out. So you want to take a bottle of water or a hose, and you simply just want to fill the P-trap up. This will prime it to ensure it drains properly during operation. The 40-ton industrial air conditioner is designed to be a 100% outside air unit. That means it can take in 95-degree air and in one pass through the evaporator coil, drop 40 degrees, providing 55-degree air to the conditioned space. We also have the option to duct these in. These are done simply by removing the G-flashes on the doors here. They have friction clamps that hold the ductwork on. And when you have your ductwork, you're going to want to make sure that you verify the direction of air. This one will be turned around as the inlet. Take the ring, you simply slide it over the collar, locking it in here, bringing the friction clamps down to lock it in place in all four spots. And that ties your duct in, and then this will be routed to the space. Once that's done, you'll continue to repeat that with the other duct collars, opening up the G-flashes. These. Now, if you do have 100% outside air installation, there would not be any duct hooked up to it. So you have the option of ducting it or leaving it open. We have our intakes ducted and our other duct caps open. Now it's time to hook up the supply air, which is going to supply to the space being conditioned. The doors have the G-flashes on them with a pull pin here that holds the door open. Simply insert that into there. Again, the four friction clamps open here on this side. And the ductwork, again, check the direction of airflow. We're going out, and you're simply going to hook up the rings to it with the friction clamps, locking them in place, each one of those, and then this stuff will go and pipe into the conditioned space. And you'll repeat that process on your second one should the project call for it. Pulling the pins out, put them back in there, and connect the next duct to it, and you're ready to condition the space. Okay, to recap the setup of the 40-ton industrial air conditioner, We've set the unit level. We've connected the power. We've verified that our phase is correct. We've ducted in the intake and we've ducted the outlet, and we've primed our condensate trap. Now we're ready to operate the unit. It's simply done by energizing the main system switch here. As I turn it on, the indoor fan will come on. There we go. Now we have full airflow. The second part is coming into the temperature control enclosure. And this is a low voltage panel, so I no longer need my high voltage gloves. In here, you just take simply a screwdriver and open up the control panel. And at this point here, we have a decision to make whether we're going to control the unit through entering air, which is coming in the machine, which is pretty standard, or we can control it to outlet temperature, meaning set it at 75 degrees on the inlet, 55 on the outlet or leaving air temperature. We're going to go over the settings of the thermostat, and that's done by holding down the escape button. And you'll notice that the temperature set point right now is at 50 degrees. And you can raise the temperature up to 52, 53, instead of 50.